Hi, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new to our channel. I'm Barbara. Okay, so we are premiering our scammer of the month. Yes, I don't know if you guys saw the video that we did on scammer. We're gonna be exposing scammers once a month or twice a month, based on what we have, and we will be sharing it with you because personally our channel is really based about saving money and helping you save money, and we are very passionate about helping with that, and we are here to help you identify who is trying to scam you out of your hard work money. Okay, so check out that video. Hi. Okay, so our scammer of the month is our Boughloaf Treadmill. Well, this thing came in my feed. Boughloaf. It's a company that's selling treadmills. This is the perfect time of the year for this type of stuff because they're targeting people that are making New Year's resolution, right? So this came in my feed and it triggered me. All right, that was one of the things that triggered me to think, okay, I want to expose scammers. All right, so they're selling for this treadmill for $39.98. All right, I mean, if you see this, you're like, wow, $39.98, right? And you're thinking, what a great deal, because it is. It sounds like a great deal. Who wouldn't want a treadmill where you can fold, you can 3-in-1, you can put it underneath anywhere. It fits 90% in less space, and they have five. It seems just too good to be true. But as you go through the page and you're looking at the comments, and as you look at the comments, all right, you see this people. You have this person, Francisco Hernandez. He said, the fact I can fold it, he's just bragging about this. But you open it and you see this poor woman image, right? And like you see this woman video right here. This is probably a video they took from somewhere, and they don't care. They're not gonna take the time to make a video. This is some image they got from another place and they're using it. All right, so you look at Francisco Hernandez again, and you open, people need to open these comments, people that are like, oh my god, this is so great. Francisco Hernandez found some lovely woman image. If you know this woman, let her know that her image is being used for a scam in the internet. He's using her image, and but you look at him, it's not the same person, look nothing alike. All right, so let her know that Francisco Hernandez is using her image. All right, and then you go back and you're looking at, there's this other person, Quag, I can't say the name, but another woman image they found in the internet. They're using her her image to talk, and then you got all these people. Oh my god, it's the great, people are loving it, they're liking it, because they're not looking at the images, they're not looking at the person's profile. And some of these people that are loving it may be a part of the scam. Okay, so when you open their Facebook page and you look at, it's a kid toy, it's a toy store, right? It looks nothing like the treadmill page. Okay, I see a phone number here. I'm gonna call this number. All right, I'm gonna call this number to see if there's any answers. All right, let's give them a call. Let's call them and see if we could get someone on the phone. Okay, and you're looking at this. When you open the website, it's a bunch of sweaters. I was looking for more information because I want to give them the benefit of the doubt, right? It's a bunch of sweaters. It looks nothing like treadmill or exercise. What does Christmas sweater have to do with exercise machine? I know a lot of time people are selling multiple things, but it just does not add up, guys. All right, and so I'm just looking for more information here because I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. The phone is ringing right now because we're calling this phone number that's on the Facebook page. Nobody's answering. It went right to some call. It just didn't beep. It just hang up, or maybe it went to voicemail. So when you're looking at the Facebook page, there's a bunch of kids' toys. If you look at the comments, it's a bunch of scammers. You have people saying perfect wipes. Oh my god, I love these fake lashes, when the image has nothing to do with fake lashes. And you have people saying, I cannot imagine. You know, you got all these fake people that are part of this scam this treadmill scam. Okay, so what I'm saying to you is, when you're looking and you see things like that that are too good to be true, sometimes they might just be too good to be true. All right, I did find a treadmill, which I have. I will put the link below. If you are interested in purchasing that, you can also check that out. It's also an affiliated link if you are interested. If you're not, it's okay. It's not as cheap as $39.98, but you're not getting scammed out of your $39.98 money. All right, I know a lot of times people are thinking, well, $39.98 is not a lot of money. It is a lot of money because they're using your credit card information. Your information is in these scammers. If these scammers can go to this much of a length to do all of this, they will take your information. Who knows what they'll do with it? All right, they will scam you out of your money. They'll take your identity. Who know what else? All right, and it doesn't matter. It's your hard work money. Value your money, value your time. Your time is everything. Forget about the money, but think about your time, the time that you put to get that money, right? And so just be careful. If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of fun stuff. We share some tips, some budget-friendly experience, some just hidden gems. Check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to engage, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.